Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. Let's first review our previous solution. We created a library of functions where we stored functions that could be used in solving other problems. Now our solution.py, it's easier to read. Today I will show you how to store the analysis tuple, this one here, in a separate file using a format called Json. I will start by creating a new file and I will save it as analysis.json. Analysis.json. Then I will copy the content of analysis.json and I will paste it in my file. To conform with JSON standard, I will replace all round parentheses with square parentheses. Okay, I have another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the last one. Now I will save it. Since I intend to read it from this file, I do not need to define my analysis object in solution.py. And I will write the code to read analysis from the file. I will start by importing a Python module called Json. This will give me a function that will convert this text into a JSON object. So import JSON. And now let's read it. So with open, and now I am saying file name, it's analysis.json. I'm reading it, R. I'm reading into a file F, and now I'm saying analysis equal JSON that loads. So this is the function, one function from this module that I imported here, and I have to read the content of the file into a string, so I have f.read. This is the same function we used to read the text of the problem. Okay, I will save it. That's pretty much it. And execute it. I am expecting the same result like the one we have. Solution.py. And I have the same result. So today we learned how to save one tuple into a file and to read it. Our solution.py is it's much easier to read now. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.